Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by exposing the problem. Turn on hidden geometry and X-ray because you need to see stray edges and inverted faces now. Once visible, select the affected group or component, right-click and reverse faces to correct outward normals. That fixes many shading errors. Next, run Solid Inspector or Cleanup to hunt zero-length edges and loose segments. These small faults cause holes and clipping. Make sure to work on a copy so you can revert if a repair step alters intended topology. Now you rebuild and stitch. Start by drawing missing edges with the line tool, closing gaps under 0.1 units because small openings prevent face formation. Once edges are present, use push/pull or the fill tool to recreate faces and merge coplanar faces with weld or merge faces to reduce polygon count. After that, select adjacent groups and use intersect faces with selection to create clean shared edges. Once done, smooth normals and purge unused components. So the model finish by cleaning the file, purge unused components, run your fixer tool again, and export a test SKP or SDL to confirm integrity. Make sure back faces are visible or apply a contrasting material to verify normals face outward. That prevents surprising dark shading or render clipping. If clipping continues, isolate the zone using section planes and simplify or fully recreate the complex topology there. Sometimes rebuilding a troublesome region is faster. One troubleshooting tip: if nothing fixes it,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.